Incoming call from the open road. Would you like to accept?
Welcome viewers to a special video where we are on a petrol tour to explore during the height of driving season in Western Pennsylvania. For this journey, we hop along with the Allegheny region chapter of the Porsche Club of America, bringing you the sights and sounds of nature and Stuttgart's finest on a fun drive. Well, most of the drive was fun, but not quite the very beginning. This boring slog through suburban shopping stomping grounds brings a good opportunity to establish the setting. This convoy contains multiple Porsches, from Caymans to various 911 variants to even a modified Porsche 914. The car I am in is a Porsche 911 Carrera S Cabriolet being piloted by the founder of 412 Rally, who invited me onto this adventure. My camera settings are old and it's time to start driving now. One common issue during such group drives through backroads is navigation. Eventually, our group leader pulled us over due to a navigation issue. The 911 GT3 slowly and reluctantly agreed to take the lead. At one point, we passed by a few Alfa Romeos. The Alfa Romeo Club was holding their national event at the same time in Pittsburgh, and the owners were on their own scavenger hunt. This was quite the reminder that driving season was alive and well.
The Alfa Romeo gimmick rally.
What is that, kind of like a scavenger hunt sort of thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's driving season. Porsche Club, Alfa Romeo Club, it is driving season alive and well.
One of the highlight cars of the drive was this modified Porsche 914, which I kept accidentally calling a 912 throughout the journey.
We're approaching a stop sign right now. I just want to make a note. The Porsche 912 is ripping. 912, 912, 912.
This car wasn't the most stock, nor was it the cleanest, but it was arguably the most enjoyed, and the owner did everything he could to keep up with even the newest Porsches on the drive, which he did quite successfully.
Is that these kind of drives, it's not always just us on the roads. There tend to be other vehicles. In this case, we have a big box truck that is pretty much blocking our path, or at least slowing our progress here under speed limit even. So what we have to do in that case is basically wait until there's a safe place to overtake or something. Just is how it is. But hey, at least the sights are pretty nice around here. Pretty cool forests and stuff.
Eventually, the lack of two-way radios started to catch up to us as traffic increased and phone service reliability decreased. Slowly, parts of the group got a bit fragmented. Eventually, a couple of us did get lost.
Should we wait for the rest of the pack though, or?
I think the group's just split up, and that's where we're at this point.
Alright. What's up?
So mine shows.
Yeah, we should have left. Wait, what is, the guy went straight. The GT3 went straight.
This incorrect detour did give us some nice time with the 914, however.
You should have turned left. Yeah, the one guy went straight. I think. Yeah. Well, I think that takes you to the park. I think going this way takes you to that town. To Volant. So it's just a matter if you want to skip the park and go to the Volant. We can go back that way and see what the heck happens.
In due time, we found our way at the cost of skipping the Amish town we were looking for.
Taking a moment to take a quick restroom break, I guess, and we're at the state park. However, we got lost a good bit earlier. We tried making some detours and stuff. The car I've been in is this one, Porsche 911 997.1 Carrera S. Owner has photobombed it. I don't know if you want to say hi real quick.
Hey everybody.
So yeah, that's the car we are in. Very well balanced, puts the power down really well. Pretty good overall. And the car that we've been cruising with for the last few moments or so is this Porsche
914.
I don't know too many details about this one, but the owner knows how to hustle this. So we've actually discovered what has happened. We have not fallen behind. we've actually accidentally jumped ahead. Earlier on, we made a wrong turn and we ended up going here, but in reality, we should have gone to an Amish town. So that's likely where everyone is now, and eventually they should be coming back around here.
But we did get to spend more time around the beautiful Moraine State Park.
Right, so there's no one in this restroom right now, but I will say, maybe this is coming from someone who's never used an outhouse as a restroom, but this feels close to an outhouse. Look at this. Yeah, no poop or anything visible, don't worry. But yeah, not very attractive in here. Let's just wash my hands. Oh wait, there's nothing. Hand sanitizer. At least there's actually hand sanitizer in that, but yeah, gross. All right, let's get out of here.
At this point of filming, I was hoping to put together a montage of me running down the trail at the state park. However, this happened. Since OSHA doesn't cover the silly antics of car presenters like me, instead you get a slower montage of me walking down the trail. The bottom of this path is home to a nice natural waterway, an old facility that made use of hydropower, and a covered bridge. Unfortunately, due to our arrival time, there was no time to give a historic tour. But there was time to look at most of what was there. The trip organizers warned us that the road to the covered bridge was a bit rough and difficult for sports cars to navigate. It's safe to say those organizers were correct.
Alright, yeah, cut right a lot more. Yeah, alright, now you got slow, okay, there you go. Okay, well, slow down. Okay, slowly. Straight. All right, there you go.
However, the bridge itself was nice.
It has been a very hot day, and we are now leaving the park, and it looks like we're just gonna go straight to LiQWYD Grill, where most other people should be waiting. Let's go. Back at the LiQWYD Grill we are, and all the vehicles are here, but everyone for the most part is back. We got some Caymans, Boxsters, Caymans, this one 996, oh turbo, okay.
Yes, look at this, 996 Turbo. I'd love to do old style gumball in one of these. New 911 Carrera 4S. This was a great one to be around. 991 GT3, like the sound of this motor, it's absolutely incredible. And then this is the vehicle we were in, 911 Carrera S. Quite a nice car, did the job very well, held up well, never gave us any problems.
After arrival to the Double Wide Grill, who were gracious enough to host us, we encountered a lot of other Porsches that did not join us for the drive, but were around for the final meetup.
This vehicle was not here at the very start of it, a 911 Turbo S 991.2.
Overall, it was a fun day with great sights, little trouble, and a lot of great cars. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video of the height of driving season in Western Pennsylvania. We thank you for watching, and we please invite you to follow the page and stay tuned for more content to come.